everyone, I am Shaneen Carbo
And I am Crizzia Lobrido.
and today we are going to make a do-it-yourself salt lamp which you can try, do and use at home.
Here's what you need.
A glass container,
A cup of salt,
a cup of oil,
any kind of oil will do,
a cotton,
a stick,
and a match or lighter.
First is prepare the container.
Second, put the salt in the container and be sure to level the salt.
Next is pour the oil, mixing together with the salt.
Then, cut off the stick, not too long, not too short, just as right as the container.
Cover the stick with the cotton. Be sure to cover them all and dip the tip on the oil.
After setting it up, light the cotton and wait till it lights up.
And now, our DIY salt lamp is ready to use. Once the cotton and the stick is used up, you can replace it. And when the oil has already drained, just refill them.
This product is indeed practical, efficient, and useful in everyday lives. For example, you are studying and there is a sudden power interruption, so you can use your salt lamp.
That's it, guys. We can't wait to see you try this at home. And if you learned something, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe.